How you doing, everyone? I'm Sean O'Kane with ChipEstimate.com, where we bring you the latest trends and information in software, IP, and semiconductor design in the EDA industry. We're here in the Cadence booth at DesignCon 2017, and with me today is Paul McLellan. He's the Senior Marcom Manager, Chief Blogger, and of course, Editor of Breakfast Bites here at Cadence. Thanks for joining us today, Paul.
You're welcome.
All right, so let's just kind of dive right into it. What is the focus for Cadence here at DesignCon 2017?
Well, as you know, Cadence is most well known for IC design tools, but DesignCon is really a PCB conference, so we're showing our PCB solutions here. So here we've got our packaging solutions, we've got Sigrity power integrity, Sigrity signal integrity, and then we're showing the PCIe Express for the 16 gigabit solution.
Well, as we know, the signal and power integrity are always challenges for designers. That said, how does constraint-driven power integrity design, driven with the Virtuoso platform, help digital designers today?
Well, for PCB design, it's an exaggeration to say it's all about signal and power integrity, but it's not that much of an exaggeration. So it's really all about our Sigrity solution for both power and signal integrity. They're essentially two different facets of the same underlying technology. Of course, we have the Allegro PCB solution that we've had for years, and that keeps advancing to enable us to do the physical design of these boards. Mm-hmm. And then that gets constrained so that the signals layout, and we meet timing, and we meet all of the signal and power constraints. So it's a much simpler flow than it used to be even 3 or 4 years ago.
Let's talk about the PCIe 4 and what's unique about the Cadence IP product, and why is it so important?
Well, we have a full solution with both the controller and the PHY. Running at 16 gigabits per second, which is the sort of highest speed that is supported. So it's important, I think, because it's faster than PCI 3, and so obviously over time people want to use that. It's very fast, which means that the board design is itself tricky, which means we need all of these Sigrity solutions as well. But PCIe 4 is kind of the standard of the future, as it were, or the standard of the present even. I'm not quite sure where it is in the standardization process. Last year we were demonstrating it even before the standard was finalized, demonstrating interoperability, which is the ultimate standard, right? Does our stuff work with somebody else's? Mm-hmm. Not just does our stuff work with our own stuff, where if we made a mistake, we make the same mistake twice and it all works. Right. So that's kind of where it is today. It's definitely the way that the highest performance designs are going to be done going forward. Perfect. And I appreciate you spending a little bit of time with us here at DesignCon. So for Paul McLellan, my name is Sean O'Kane. We'll see you next time on ChipEstimate TV. Thanks, Paul.